Hello everyone, very good morning and good evening. Parminder here, and we are here for the next episode of Game of High Flyers. And today with us is Mr. Ajinkya. Before I put to Ajinkya, let me briefly introduce you about Ajinkya. So Ajinkya is basically a BTech, and he did his graduation in the year 2021. Then he has also a 6 month of experience onto the game testing, and he was also after that he was some time at home, and then he came to know about SAP, and then he selected a basis as a module, and he got trained with us with uh, our basis trainer. He got trained, and then November 2022 he got trained, and he also got a job offer in December itself. By mid-December he was having a job offer, and he has joined Automatic Infotech as a basis consultant. With that brief introduction, Ajinkya, welcome to the Game of High Flyers.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi. So Ajinkya, I have told your story in very brief, but it would be great, if you can tell us your success journey, how you started, and then how you gained the knowledge and how you cracked the interview. In your words, if you can tell it, it would be great.
Yes. So I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering 2021. So it was a long time after a lockdown period. So it was very difficult me to get job in core like mechanical. So I started searching for IT companies. Then I got into testing role, that to a game tester. So
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
I thought there wasn't that much growth in testing. So I just quit that job and was searching for another opportunity. Then by that, I got to know about SAP. Then I just searched about SAP and modules, and then I got to know about these classes. So I just contact sirs, and then I got to know about SAP basis, and I just started this. And I know that SAP has a great career. That too, I jump into SAP.
Okay, that's good. So, based on your background, Ajinkya, how difficult or how easy or how challenging it was to learn SAP basis?
Actually, I had a hands-on on my computer. So for me, that wasn't very hard. But yeah, it was a challenging because the software was new, everything was new, and there lies a networking also in that. So I wasn't that much familiar with that. But sir taught we taught us very well from like a babysitting to the whole new other level. Sir taught us very well and got me hand into SAP.
Yeah, that's our basis trainer, Mr. Aditya. That's
Yeah.
what he do. He will make you sit and he will ask you, okay, this is how it need to be done, and he will ask you whether you have done it or not. He will not leave you until unless you have not done this thing in your system and you said, yes, sir, I have done, and I am all good with that. So
Yeah.
he take every student very personalized, and one by one he would be checking, I explained this, you got this or not, whether you have done it in system or not. That
Yeah.
that makes you perfect in that. So
Yeah, and we got the servers also, and like we were practicing whole night about everything or whatever sir taught us. We just sir also told that whatever is I teach into class, just give 1 hour and spend your hands on with the servers.
So whatever the
Yeah.
trainings we provide, whatever the module we provide, I always tell repeatedly, hands-on is very important.
Yeah.
Until unless you will not do hands-on, you will not be able to answer the questions confidently in the interview. So that's good. So one question specifically I want to ask Ajinkya, so that the viewers get the clarity. I got a lot of students, many students come to me, and many are very confused on the module selection. And I find it out that some people for 3 months, 6 months, or a year, they just get confused ki ye karoon, this module I should do, or that module I should do. They just do the analysis, and end up doing nothing. So how do you finalize your module? How did you know that, okay, this is the one thing I need to do? You get it, you started your job. So your thing was very quick. How you managed to get it done?
Like I was firstly clear that I don't want to go into coding, so that ABAP module was fully cut for me.
cut for you.
Then yeah, then remains like functional basis module. Then for me, sir told that module would be preferable for me, but
Mhm.
there wasn't a relatable experience like in mechanical core, so that was also challenging. But I was specific that I want to work in technical only. So
Mhm.
then sir told basis software would also be preferable. So that is a technical module only. So then I choose basis would be fine for me.
Okay, very good. I
Yeah,
really loved your clarity in your thoughts कि you are from the mechanical background. Coding में नहीं जाना है.
नहीं जाना है.
Coding is not for me. So ABAP has been ruled out. Then two things comes, functional module, and you still want to go into the technical. You don't want to go into the coding, but still you want to go into the more technical. Then the
Yes.
module is basis, where you need not to go into the technical, you do not need to go do the coding, but still it's a quite technical module.
Yeah.
That's where you have picked it up. So that's good. I always suggest people, that don't take too much of time to do the analysis. Make your quick
Mm.
decision. Make your mindset clear what you want to do it. Make a quick decision and start learning it. Every job, every module has its own charm and has its variety of jobs. And once you select the first module, you have worked for 2 3 years, then there is no limit. You can always switch your module. You can move towards the functional consultant, or functional consultant can move towards technical consultant. The things would be open. So that's good. So how was the job hunt, Ajinkya? How you started your job hunt, and when you how people called you for interviews, and during the interviews, what kind of questions they have asked?
Like after our class was just ended, we also start our preparation for interview, and we also kept on practicing on servers about so that hands-on remain there. Nothing should be wiped out in our mind. So
Mm-hmm.
this started. So side by side, sir also gave us leads. Here are the openings. There are.
Mm-hmm.
So we just we just started to give them resumes. So we
Mm-hmm.
get the calls and all. So the interview process started on them. Like interview questions you ask there, as much as sir given, I was fully confident that these questions I wouldn't be lagging that questions. These questions were like user administration questions, role authorizations, like
Mm-hmm.
how many roles, types of roles and all, architecture and all. Then about NetWeaver, these questions which sir made us fully confidence in that. Yeah.
That's right. So he gave you good thing about Aditya. He gave you very good interview preparation during each session, hands-on, and then interview preparation. And last also, he guide how to prepare your CV, what kind of things to be shown,
Yeah.
and prepare you with the basic interview questions which is going to be asked. That's the best about Aditya. Okay, that's good. So, yeah, Ajinkya, you know that a lot of people are like you who want to jump into IT. Okay, some people has made their mind, okay, what module SAP they need to do, which module they need to do. Some people has not made their mind. So, what would be your suggestion if somebody wants to become a SAP basis consultant? What would be your suggestion to them in which way they should get prepared so that they can also get quickly start their SAP basis consulting journey?
Yeah, first of all, SAP is a very good thing to get into. There is a very much career growth.
Mhm.
As I'm a fresher, I was also wasn't exposed to this SAP like thing, but by connections and all, I got to know about SAP. Then
Mhm.
I switched into SAP. That was nice then. But if a person is there who is struggling to find out his way out, but then I think SAP is the best way that he can lead it to. And that too in IT, it's a best opportunity that person would get in.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos. Yes,
Yeah.
that's right. That's right. That's very good. That's very well saying. So, this I will just summarize that. Although from the mechanical background, but the
Yeah.
clarity in the thoughts made Ajinkya learn SAP basis module. He got a very good tutor who handhold him to learn the things. He followed the path and quickly he was able to get it converted. Now, if Ajinkya can do it, many of you also can do it. So you can take an inspiration from Ajinkya to get these things done. So Ajinkya, I'm very thankful to you. You spared out some time, came up for this Game of High Flyer episode, share your thoughts and success story with our viewers, and many would be getting motivated with this, and they would be soon starting the SAP journey. So you would be part of the many career journeys and career growths which people would be starting after watching this interview. So thank you for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
So all of the viewers, thank you for watching our today's episode. We would be getting back to you with the new success story with the new episode of Game of High Flyers. Bye-bye till then.